Lemeile kai ngwana morena, lemeile kai mohato. Lemeile kai ngwana morena, lemeile kai mohato. O dutse leraleng, o shebile Lesotho. O dutse leraleng, o shebile Lesotho. Lemeile kai ngwana morena, lemeile kai mohato. Lemeile kai ngwana morena, lemeile kai mohato. O dutse leraleng, o shebile Lesotho. O dutse leraleng, o shebile Lesotho.
Lay your foot on the dusty grounds of Africa, the very grounds that fathers walked in practical, the ground on which peace reigns, the ground on which love stays, where Moshoeshoe is time for people like us, where thousands came and went defeated by us. They wanted to possess our land, they wanted to own our freedom, but the Lord was on our side, and He stays there forever and always. So we're celebrating freedom and life to the core. We're celebrating life and freedom to the core. I speak to your minds and I speak to your hearts. Hear me, if you will, send from up above to listen to our motherland. You will have more because the Lord says so. To listen to our motherland.
Yeah, to listen to our motherland. To listen to our motherland.